In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view location history in Hubstaff. If you're using Hubstaff and need to track the location history of your team members, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the simple process. First, ensure you're logged into your Hubstaff account. Once you've done that, you'll be able to follow along with these steps seamlessly. To begin, you want to navigate to your Hubstaff dashboard. This is typically the page you see right after logging in, where you can get an overview of the activities in your organization. From here, your objective is to access the location settings. Look towards the left side of the screen, where a menu is typically located. Find and click on the tab labeled Location. This tab might be represented by a small icon that looks like an arrow pointing to a location, or it could be a simple text label depending on your specific interface. Clicking this will take you to a page dedicated to all location-related settings and information. Next, direct your attention to the section that includes a map. This is crucial as it visually represents the location data of your team members. Click on the Map option. This is usually situated at the top of the page or under the Location tab, marked clearly enough to stand out. The map is a key tool in visualizing where your team members have been while they were working. Seeing this geographical representation can provide you with a clearer idea of their movements and locations over a given period. Now, it's time to hone in on a specific member whose location history you want to view. Typically, there's a list or a drop-down menu that lets you select a team member. Take your time to scroll through and choose the right person. Once you click on their name, the map will update to show you their location history. Often highlighted with paths or markers indicating different points in time, this visual representation can be an invaluable tool for verifying work locations or planning more efficient routes for your team. As you navigate through these steps, remember to keep your objectives clear. Whether you're auditing recent activities or simply ensuring that logistics align with company plans, this functionality within Hubstaff can offer critical insights. Also consider potential privacy concerns and ensure your team is aware of and consents to this tracking, aligning with ethical guidelines and company policy. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly access and view the location history for your team members in Hubstaff. It's a powerful way to remain organized and informed about your team's logistical details. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop any questions you may have in the